Problem number 3, color and line practice. Choose a different color and vertically write the math problem, 8 and 26/100 minus 1 and 1/10. Now I'm realizing that for this problem, I don't really need a lot of room. I could click these question details, that arrow, to get rid of the question details, but I'd like for this to stay up. So I'm going to actually leave this here while I complete this problem. Then I'm going to choose a different color. We're practicing picking out colors. So I'm going to choose this color. And then since I'm doing a subtraction problem, I know that I want my numbers to be large. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to where I chose my color, and I'm also going to change the line thickness. If I choose larger numbers, then it's going to be easier when I'm using the scribble tool. Now I'm not going to use the scribble tool to write the 8.26. That would be pretty difficult. I'm going to use the typing tool whenever I can. So I'll click this typing tool to draw my text. So I'm going to click where I want the bottom of the 8 to be. So I want the bottom of the 8 to be right there, and then 8, and then 26/100. Then I press enter, and then I type 1 and 1/10. And you'll notice that the ones place, those numbers line up, the 8 and the 1. The tenths place lines up. The decimals line up, which is what you want when you're subtracting. You have to line up the decimals when you're subtracting with decimals. And then I have no number here in the hundredths place, but there is a number here. There's a 6 in the hundredths place in this number. So I need to add a 0 to the hundredths place in this problem so that everything lines up nicely. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here to the left, and I'm going to type a subtraction sign. And then the last thing I'll do to create my problem is I'm going to choose line, and I'm going to draw a line underneath the subtraction problem. Then I'm going to find the difference. Remember, difference is the result of a subtraction problem. It's the answer to a subtraction problem. And I'm going to actually be brave and use the scribble tool. All right, so 6 minus 0, I get 6. 2 minus 1, I get 1. I bring down the decimal, and then 8 minus 1, I get 7. So my answer is 7 and 16/100.